5-digit numbers. We know that greatest 1-digit number plus 1, that is 9 plus 1 equals 10. The smallest 2-digit number. Greatest 2-digit number plus 1, that is 99 plus 1 equals 100. The smallest 3-digit number. Greatest 3-digit number plus 1, that is 999. Plus 1 equals 1000. The smallest 4-digit number. Greatest 4-digit number plus 1, that is 9999. Plus 1 equals 10,000. The smallest 5-digit number. We write the number 10,000 as 10,000. The number 10,000 is a 5-digit number, and it is the smallest 5-digit number. This number is written in the place value chart as shown. How do we represent a 5-digit number on the abacus? For this, let's recall representing the largest 4-digit number, 9,999, on the abacus. Since 9,999 plus 1 equals 10,000, which is a 5-digit number, it is clear that to represent a 5-digit number on the abacus, we need an abacus with 5 spikes. Therefore, the smallest 5-digit number, 10,000, is represented on the abacus as shown here. Here are some more 5-digit numbers shown on the abacus.